Have you tired of spending hours in the kitchen only to end up with bland or undercooked meals? If you have a busy schedule but still crave delicious home-cooked dishes, a reliable pressure cooker can be your ultimate kitchen friend. Pressure cookers have become smarter, faster, and safer than ever. It will make your meal prep easier and tastier, perfect for busy weeknights or big family meals. Whether you're a beginner in the kitchen or a seasoned home chef, this video will help you to find the perfect cooker. In this video, we will break down the top 5 best pressure cookers that can deliver the best performance. Check the links in the description to find your favorite one. The 5th product on our list is COMFEE 8-quart 16-in-1. The COMFEE 8-quart pressure cooker is the smart, premium-looking, and budget-friendly cooking appliance. It will be suitable for those kitchen lovers who want great features in their cooking experience. With 16 programmable presets, you can prepare a variety of dishes like meat, beans, broth, oatmeal, and more, all with just a few simple steps. Whether it's weeknight dinners or weekend feasts, this cooker is your best friend. The 8-quart capacity can handle up to 20 cups of cooked rice, which makes it ideal for families of 6 to 8 or when you're entertaining guests. You can say goodbye to kitchen chaos and hello to crowd-pleasing meals, stress-free. The COMFEE pressure cooker includes 10 built-in safety features like overheat protection, auto steam release, and a lid lock system, so you can cook with confidence. The other standout feature is the 24-hour delay timer, which lets you schedule meals in advance. Wake up or come home to a perfectly cooked dish, and it comes fully loaded with helpful accessories like a spoon, ladle, measuring cup, steam rack, condensation cup, and power cord. Everything you need to get started right away. Looking for an affordable, full-featured pressure cooker to make family cooking easier and tastier? The COMFEE 8-quart electric pressure cooker could be the perfect choice for you. The 4th place on our list is Chef IQ Smart Cooker. The Chef IQ Smart Cooker is one of the smartest and most intuitive kitchen gadgets that you can buy for home. It's made for home chefs who love convenience, precision, and tech in one sleek device. Once connected to the Chef IQ app via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, you will explore a world of step-by-step video-guided recipes, hundreds of cooking presets covering nearly every component you can imagine, together with active, delicious foods procedures. It even has a built-in smart scale with 4 sensors to weigh your ingredients as you go. You don't need measuring cups. It tells you exactly how much liquid to use for perfect results every time. Moreover, you will also get the auto pressure release, which safely and hands-free handles steam at the end of cooking using the pulse of electricity. No need to touch a thing. The cooker will save your time through wireless updates. Your Chef IQ Smart Cooker will gain new features and upgraded cooking algorithms without you lifting a finger. It also includes a steamer rack and basket that is perfect for everything from whole fish to chopped veggies and dumplings. If you're looking for an advanced, smart, highly technological food partner that effectively cooks for you, the Chef IQ Smart Cooker may be the ideal choice for your kitchen. The 3rd product on our list is the Breville Fast Slow Pro. The Breville Fast Slow Pro is one of the best precise and intelligent pressure cookers you can own. It will be perfect if you're all about dialing in flavor and texture without the guesswork. This pressure cooker is designed to automatically adjust time, temperature, and pressure. This cooker seamlessly switches between fast and slow cooking to get every ingredient just right. With dual sensors at the top and bottom of the 6-quart ceramic-coated bowl, it monitors everything in real time for exact results every time. You will have 11 pressure cook settings and slow cook options from high to low, all at your fingertips with one-touch functionality. Also, the cleaning process is too easy. The removable lid and ceramic bowl are both dishwasher safe and PTFE and PFOA free, so you can serve directly from the pot and then drop it into the dishwasher. Safety is a top priority too. With a triple safe lid system and an automatic steam release that handles quick, pulse, or natural pressure release for you, you don't even have to lift a finger. Just let it do the work while keeping your hands safe. It comes complete with a stainless steel steamer basket, rack, and a 41 recipe cookbook to help get you started. Do you want the best precision cooker that offers everything with accuracy, safety, and style? The Breville Fast Slow Pro could be the smart choice for you. The second product on our list is the Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL is the most premium and feature-rich kitchen gadget you can add to your kitchen. It's built to give you the best of both pressure cooking and air frying in one powerful device. Here is a tender crisp technology. You can lock in all those juicy flavors with pressure cooking, then finish your meals with a crispy, golden, air-fried texture. It's like having a chef's magic wand in your hands. With an extra-large 8-quart ceramic-coated pot and a 5-quart cook and crisp basket, this powerhouse feeds the whole family, easily fitting a whole 7-pound chicken. The non-stick ceramic surfaces are PTFE and PFOA-free, super easy to clean, and dishwasher safe. You're getting 12-in-1 cooking versatility, including pressure cook, air fry, sear or saute, steam, slow cook, broil, bake, roast, sous vide, dehydrate, and more, all programmable with just a touch. The Deluxe reversible rack allows you to steam, broil, and stack up to 8 chicken breasts at once, fast batch cooking. Additionally, you can cook with confidence because of the 14 included safety features. It even comes with a 45 recipe inspiration guide to spark your creativity right out of the box. If you're looking for one device that can do everything and do it in a stylish way, the Ninja Foodi Deluxe XL is the ultimate premium kitchen upgrade for your kitchen. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the Instant Pot Pro Plus. This Instant Pot Pro Plus smart multi-cooker is hands down one of the most flexible and feature-packed kitchen devices you can own. It's built to make your life easier and meals tastier. With 10-in-1 cooking functions, you can pressure cook, slow cook, saute, steam, sous vide, can, make rice or yogurt, or use NutriBoost to amp up texture, all of these from one sleek, intuitive touchscreen. It even keeps your food warm until you're ready to serve. You can pair it with the Instant Connect app and get access to 2,000+ smart recipes with step-by-step guidance. You can monitor and control everything from your phone, no babysitting required. This pressure cooker works very fast. It cooks up to 70% quicker than traditional methods, perfect for busy days or last-minute dinners. And don't worry about safety, this powerhouse includes over 10 safety features, a one-touch silent steam release, and an easy seal lid to give you peace of mind. The pro-grade stainless steel cooking pot has a thick aluminum core for even heating and a flat bottom that is ideal for perfect searing. It's oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and holds 6 quarts, ideal for families or weekly meal preps. The pot and accessories are all dishwasher safe, and you even get a bonus sealing ring and steam rack. If you want to level up your cooking game without any stress, this Instant Pot Pro Plus Smart Instant Pot can be your perfect choice for your kitchen. That's all for our list of the top 5 best pressure cookers on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.